Hey all, so this is the walkthrough for the week 4 lab. It will look a little different for you because, you know, it will be published. Okay, so you're going to click on here to get the Word document that you enter everything in. As always, I recommend that you read the lab report assistant that you're going to be filling in, then the lab, and then we'll maybe skim the assistant first, then read the whole lab, doing the book, you know, in the lab manual, and then go through and do the lab report. I just find it makes life a lot easier. And you're going to submit your lab assistant, right? And then we've got, you can get in a post, 1S post for posting your tables, and then here is of course the attached lab rubric. Now let me go ahead and open that rubric. So I will pause. This is going to be a really quick thing, not so much a walkthrough of the lab, but of the rubric. If you do need help with the lab, send me a note. I have the keys available to me. Okay, so exercise 1 is worth 2 points. There's going to be one table and a graph. Make sure you with the graphs, you can, if you need to, handwrite them, take a picture and insert the picture, or you can use Excel or Word to create the graph. It's kind of whatever's easier for you. Personally, I think hand doing it with a ruler so it looks neat would be a lot easier for me because I'm old school. And there's questions. There's 5 questions. I had to find that. The exercise 2 is also worth 2 points. There's only one table here and 3 questions, and then the last one is the bulk of it for 3 points. And there's 2 tables and a bunch of questions. There are 9 questions in this sucker, so give yourself time. Always labs will take way longer than you think. And then you're going to have format is, there's a half point for format, a half a point of references. You are required to have at least 1 reference or you will not get credit for the entire lab. Okay, so make sure you have an in-text citation and a full reference in the reference section at the bottom. And you'll see, we'll just skim through. There's a table, different test tubes. You want to make sure your hypothesis is actually testable. It's always nice. Different questions, more stuff to fill in, more questions. Let's look at this last lab because there are so many questions. None of them are too bad though if you just think about it. Also pay attention to like what the name of it is. You're talking about diffusion. Make sure you read that manual. A lot of times if you're confused, the lab manual will really give you pointers. So check that. If you have any questions or worries, as always, I love to review a draft by noon on the due day. Okay, I think that's everything for our quick little walkthrough. I hope this helps.